Hi everyone, my name is Chris and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So in this video, I will be doing men's everyday makeup. So I'm very glad that nowadays sobrang nagiging mainstream na ng makeup para sa ating mga kalalakihan. Like women, if men wants to make himself feel good, look good, then go. Fix your hair, put your makeup on. Because we don't tolerate toxic masculinity anymore, di ba? So, ayun lang. Without further ado, let's get started. So, before you put your makeup on, make sure na maglagay ka muna ng something sa face mo, like first layer or primer para sure na kakapit all day yung makeup na ilalagay mo sa face mo. So, for my primer, I will be using Luxe Organix na mist. After you put primer, make sure na nag-set siya ng sobra dun sa face mo before ka maglagay ng foundation. So for foundation, I will be using Infallible by Loreal Pro Matte Infallible. Sa foundation, sobrang importante na pumili ka ng shade mo mismo. Hindi mo siguro naman gusto na paglakad ka sa labas na hindi ka match ng neck mo, yung face mo. So always make sure guys na nabili mo yung perfect shade para sa face mo, sa skin tone mo. In applying my foundation, I will be using a beauty sponge and make sure na damp yung sponge before mo i-blend yung foundation sa face mo. By the way guys, yung ginamit kong shade ng Infallible Pro Matte is 106 Sun Beige. So the next step is concealer. So the concealer that I will be using is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand 20. Sa concealer, sobrang importante na pumili rin kayo ng shade na 2 times or 3 times lighter dun sa binili nyong shade ng foundation. Because yung concealer kasi yung magpapabrighten up ng whole face nyo, lalo na kapag meron kayong dark under eyes. In setting your face, use a loose powder or a pressed powder na almost ka-shade ng concealer and ng foundation mo para lang hindi mag-move yung liquid products na nilagay natin sa face natin. So the next step is applying a bronzer. So this one is optional. So if you feel like your face looks a little bit plain or flat, and if you want to accentuate some parts of your face like your cheekbones, your nose bridge, or your jaw, you can always apply a bronzer. So yung next step na gagawin ko is hindi rin siya required. So you can skip if you want to. Pero in my case kasi kapag naglalagay ako ng foundation or a little concealer dun sa crease ko, nagkakaroon siya ng crease line. So I have to set it ng powder. Maghanap ka lang na powder or eyeshadow na almost ka-shade din nung crease mo. So the next step is fixing your brows. So kung ikaw yung type ng lalaki na may magandang kilay, like yung thick bushy brows na nagko-complement naman sa face mo, you can skip this step naman. Pero in my case kasi, I have to fix the strokes ng brows ko and fill it in para mas mukha siyang decent tignan. I will be using this Revlon brow pencil in the shade black. for the second to the last step, which is yung lips, I highly recommend na mag lip balm kayong mga guys, lalo na kapag chop yung lips nyo. Meron naman nabibili sa Watsons, like yung Vaseline, yung kagaya sa akin, Nivea or other brands. Basta mag lip balm kayo para lang ma-hydrate yung lips nyo throughout the day. And for the final step, after mo ilagay lahat ng products sa face mo, you have to lock it in with a mist or any kind of setting spray para sa makeup. So, gagamitin ko lang ulit yung Luxe Organix na mist for setting my makeup. So, you just have to wait for a few seconds para mag-set talaga totally yung makeup na nilagay mo sa face mo. Then, you are good to go. So that's it guys, I hope nakatulong tong video na to para sa'yo, most specifically sa mga guys na medyo hesitant sa pagsusuot ng makeup. And my only advice for you guys is that huwag kayong mahiya kung kailangan nyo magsuot ng makeup, lalo na if you're going to work, to school, or sometimes to a special event. If ito yung makakapagpa-boost ng confidence nyo, then go for it. Don't mind those people. There is nothing wrong in wearing makeup. It's made for everyone. That's your face. You have all the right to do whatever you want. Kasi at the end of the day, ikaw naman yan eh. Ikaw naman yung naka-makeup, hindi naman sila. So, don't mind them. Diba? Ayun lang. If you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!